Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get lucky eggs in Bedwars. Lucky eggs are unique items that can dramatically change the course of a match. They offer a variety of random, powerful buffs, giving you a significant advantage over your opponents. Understanding how to acquire them is key to mastering this aspect of the game and improving your chances of victory. Let's dive into the one specific method for obtaining these valuable items. The only way to get a lucky egg in Bedwars is by purchasing it from the Emerald Shop. This shop is accessible in the middle of the map, where emeralds spawn. You'll need to collect a certain number of emeralds to afford one. Typically, a lucky egg costs around 8 emeralds, so focus on controlling the middle and gathering these precious resources. It's a strategic investment for a potential game-changing buff. To consistently get lucky eggs, you must prioritize emerald gathering. Controlling the middle island is crucial, as this is where emeralds spawn. Work with your team to secure and defend this area. Consider upgrading your team's resource generators to ensure a steady income of iron and gold, which can then be used to purchase better gear for emerald runs. A balanced approach of defense and offense is key. Once you have a lucky egg, timing its use is important. Deploy it when you feel it will have the most impact, perhaps before a major push or a critical defense. Remember, the buffs are random, so be adaptable to whatever advantage you receive. Communicate with your team to make the most of the buff, whether it's increased damage, speed, or another beneficial effect. A well-timed lucky egg can turn the tide of any Bedwars match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.